Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to beat Moorwing. When she dives at you or throws her spinning blade, just jump over the attack. It's an easy dodge and gives you a chance to keep the pressure on. For most of the fight, you should play aggressively and stay close and land as many hits as you safely can. Check it out first time, so I should stay focused with her. So she gets very angry now. And once she gets angry, be more careful. She will throw into two spiny blades, and the last one comes back like a boomerang. Hit her when you get an opening, then back away before the returning blade reaches you. Other than that, keep your eyes on her movement. Stay aggressive when it's safe, and hit her a lot of hits. Like that, you can finish her very quick. Stay aggressively. Now dodge. It's good. Pay attention. Two. What the hell? I need to blade. Okay, nice, nice like that. Now, every time the same problem. Good, I can finish it now. That's all there is to it. Learn the timing, keep the pressure on, and you will take down money without too much trouble, I think. So I need to blend, stay focused, dive now. Okay, if this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Silksong guides. Thanks for watching and good luck.